A common wire, also known as a C-wire, provides a continuous source of power to the smart thermostat. But what if your home doesn't have a C-wire? A C-wire adapter comes in handy in this case. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing a Celo Smart thermostat using a C-wire adapter. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find Celo Smart thermostat, backplate, C-wire adapter, user manual and wire labels, wall plate, mounting screws and drywall anchors. Before starting, make sure the power is off. Switch off your system using the master switch or the circuit breaker. Go to your already installed thermostat and remove it from the wall. Grab your smartphone and take a clear picture of your old thermostat wiring for reference. Ensure your system has at least 3 wires, R, G, Y, in order to work with a C-wire adapter. If your system has only 2 wires as shown, please get in touch with Celo Tech Support. They will help you with the installation. Take the C-wire adapter and wire labels out of the box. Gather your tools and smartphone, then head over to your HVAC system. Open the HVAC cover to access the control board. This is the main circuit board in your system to which your thermostat is wired. Proceed with caution, as HVAC systems contain high-voltage wires. Take a picture of the connected wires for reference. Then, label only the following wires with the matching labels. Disconnect the labeled R, Y, G, and W wires from the control board. Insert the wires you just disconnected into the corresponding terminals on the C-wire adapter. After that, securely connect all the wires coming out of the C-wire adapter to the matching terminals on the control board of your HVAC system. Place or mount the C-wire adapter at a suitable location inside your HVAC system. Close the HVAC cover panel securely and return to your old thermostat. Disconnect the old thermostat wires one by one and mark them using the wire labels. Remove the mounting plate of your old thermostat and install the new one. Take out the labeled wires through the hole in the middle of the Celo Smart thermostat backplate. Connect these 3 wires as shown. Then, connect the remaining wires to their corresponding terminals. Press terminal block buttons for ease of insertion. Screw in the backplate using the provided pair of drywall anchors and screws. Gently push the excess wires back into the center hole of the backplate to ensure that no drafts are coming from the hole. Align your Celo Smart thermostat with the backplate and press gently to fix it properly. Go to your HVAC system and turn on the power from the master switch or circuit breaker. That's it. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy the comfort and convenience of your new Celo Smart thermostat. To learn more about Celo Smart thermostat, visit support.celoweigel.com.